Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Retable software. Please watch this tutorial to the end to properly understand it. So Retable is a modern database for collaboration, and it has a spreadsheet-like interface that anyone can easily use. It is an alternative to tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. And the best thing about Retable is that it has a visually appealing interface, and it's very, very easy to adapt, and it offers a lot of extra features that you may not find in traditional spreadsheets. So with this information in mind, let's get into Retable. Simply go to your browser and type in retable.io, and it should bring you to a page that looks just like this. And you can see right there on their homepage, they say, try the awesome collaborative online spreadsheet tool with no login. So you can see that it is a collaborative online spreadsheet where you can build custom and simple online spreadsheet solutions for your work with a smart blank spreadsheet, or try our special spreadsheet template. So you can test out Retable for free without having to log in. Okay, so you see it has different products. It has online spreadsheets, online forms, and a CSV viewer and editor. If you tap on solutions, you will see all of the things that they offer: use cases, resources, okay, integrations. If you tap on templates, you will see the different templates they offer. And if you tap on pricing, you would see there are different plans, the different tiers. Okay, so you can decide which plan works for you. They have the pro plan, the team plan, and the enterprise plan. But before you make a final decision, you can use a 1 month free trial. So this should be enough time for you to decide if you're going to continue to use Retable or which of their plans you're going to stick with, right? So you can tap on try to test out Retable and see how it works. So let us sign up for Retable, okay? So just tap on sign up. You can scroll down to see the other features of Retable, right? You can see they have templates for HR and recruitment management for different types of businesses, marketing management, project management. They have online forms, right? So you can scroll down and have a feel of what the Retable software is or can do for your business. Okay, so let's continue. Just simply tap on sign up. And you will be able to sign up with your first name, your work email, and then you will have to create a password. Okay, or you can decide to sign in using a Google account. So I'm going to select a Google account to sign in with, and then simply confirm. All right, and it says welcome to Retable. Now you can watch the video on this welcome page to see how Retable can work for you. We'll tap on let's start. So the question you will see on your screen is, what will you be using Retable for? And I'm just going to select personal freelancer. You have other options here. You have the startup, small business, large company, educational, non-profit, or charity. Select the option that best suits you and tap on next. What best describes your role? Select the best option for you. Just tap on the drop down and select what best suits you. Which apps have you used previously? Select the apps that you have worked with previously and then tap on next, and then you see congratulations, you have successfully set up your account. So I'll just tap on switch to continue, and now it brings me to a workspace. So it's going to quickly give you a tour of Retable. You can see, so just tap on next, next, okay, and next. All right, so finish tour. Good. Now a pop-up comes in for you to be able to enjoy a Retable Pro plan for free. You can skip that for now. You still have a 30-day free trial So you can make use of that and then decide if you want to go for the premium plan. So you're first of all going to create a workspace. So I'm just going to tap on add workspace and I'll put a workspace name and then a workspace description. All right. And then you can select for personal use or for use in an organization, right? So for use in organization, as you can see, it's only available for the business plans. Now you can add a new project. There are three ways of adding a new project. You can start from scratch. You can import a CSV or any other sheet that you have probably worked on in the past, and then you can start with a template. Okay, so I'm just going to start with a template. Just tap on start with a template. You can see we have different business types here, and we can select templates from any of this. Applicant tracking, team workload planning, there's a lot, project management, marketing. So it depends on your field. You can select a template that is best suited for your field. We have templates for small businesses, expense tracking. We have templates for sales and customers. We have templates for software project management, templates for real estate, templates for data, a lot of templates that you can select from. So I'm going to select one template. Okay, so let's select template for content planning or social media calendar, and I'll just tap on use it. Okay, so my project name is social media calendar. I can change that if I want to, but I'm going to leave it. And then I can put in a project description and then tap on build now. So you can see it's building. All right, so it says, welcome to your first awesome project. You can quickly take a tour again. It will direct you to where some certain features are. And then when you're done, just, right, so just tap on finish tour. All right, so now this is our social media calendar template, and it has different columns and rows here. Okay, so you can see it has visual assets, topic, post date and time, status, post type, platforms. All right, so there's a lot here that you can simply adjust and customize to suit your own specific needs. You have row details, everything is here. You have copy for your social media posts. You have hashtags that you can use. So you do not need to create a spreadsheet from scratch. You can simply customize the templates that are already available to create something nice for yourself. You have hashtags, publish URL, the owner notes, okay, and you can even add new columns if you wish by just simply tapping on the plus icon here. Just tap on plus and you will be able to put in a new column. So I could say time of posting. All right, so just know that this is just an example I'm giving, and then I can select and just tap on save. I can select the column type, text, number, checkbox, image, attachments. Okay, so you can select however you want your column to be. If you want it to be number, checkbox, image, you can simply select it. I'm going to leave it at text. Okay, and you can make it a required column. Okay, unique, default value validation. Just tap on save. And then a new column will be added. You can see it right here. Time has been added right here. So let's take a look at the left-hand side of our screen. So this is our template, the template that we're currently working with. Okay, now you can have different types of view, and it changes how you see your templates, right? You can add the list view. It changes how you see your template. There's the chart view, and then there's the calendar view. So the chart view shows you your information in chart format. Okay, then you also have the calendar view that shows you your templates in calendar format. So just tap on done. All right, so let's go back to the view that we had earlier, which is I think the grid view was what we had on. All right, so you can customize this to suit your taste. Now, these are the columns. If you look at the top here, you see columns. Just tap on it and you'll be able to adjust your columns, add a new column. You can switch the position of a column or completely take it off by just, tapping on this toggle icon. Just tap on it, right? And you see it's off. You can put it back on by saying, and it's back on. You can switch the position of your columns. You can just customize your sheet to whatever look you want it to have. So just simply toggle over the hamburger icon at this end and just move it up to whichever position you want. You can readjust the positions, tap, long press, and drag, drop to wherever you want it to be, and it automatically adjusts your project here, right? So you can also sort, right? You can select any of your columns here. You can make it to be in ascending order or descending order. It's all depends on you. Now you can also group this. You can also format this. You have different formatting options here: bold, italics, underline, change color of the text and the font and everything else. You can do a conditional formatting, so it makes it simple for you to adjust and customize your templates, in any manner whatsoever, just to suit you. You can also add a new row to your sheet just by simply tapping again on this plus icon here. You can add a new row. So just tap on it and then you can add a new row. You can see the row where it popped up here. You can add visual assets. You can add an attachment. You can add a new topic. Just edit and customize this. And then you have yourself a beautiful, beautiful sheet that you can share with anybody. Okay, next you can automate this. Just tap on automations and you'll be able to add new automations. You can give your automation a name, describe it, and then set up a trigger. So just select a trigger and you'll be able to automate your sheet, right? Just once you're done, you tap on save and that will be registered or recorded. Okay. And that's pretty much how to customize your forms. Now, after you're done customizing, putting in the things you need to put in and taking out the things you need to take out, you can share this form. Just tap on the share icon here. You can see where my mouse is pointing on the share icon here. Just tap on it, okay? And then you can make it toggle on this icon here, put it on or off. Public view, you can say okay, and then you'll be able to get a link that you can copy and share. You can copy to your clipboard. You can embed this table on your web page. You can copy this, okay, and share the link with the people you want to have access to this sheet. And you can open this link in a new tab. You can make it editable, okay, use data organization. Just tap on the information icon, all right, to see details. So editable means you can make your public view editable. If the user you shared with is logged in, the changes are saved. So if you make this editable, anybody you share this link with will be able to make changes on your project, on your table, right? If you use data, if you tap on use data, the users you share this table with would be able to clone this table and add data to their personal Retable workspaces and projects. Okay, and if you put on the organization, you can, this is only available for the business plan, all right? So you can make this form a public form. You can see public form here, right? So you can tap on it and make it a public form. Again, you can edit and preview the form. You can embed the form on your page. If you wanted to just tap on that and it will give you an embed code that you can use on your web page. Very simple. Okay. And you can copy this link and share it with other people or open this link in a new tab. So it's very simple to share your form with anybody at all. Of course, you can edit everything in the different rows and columns. So you want to change this, you just simply tap on it and edit it. You can give it some other name depending on your business, of course. Okay, so content plan, you can just put in whatever else you need to put. Edit the post date and time, just change it, right? You can also change the status, right? So just toggle down and you'll be able to see posted, planning, on hold, request. So let's say we're still planning, we just select planning. You can change the platforms where this will be posted, select any of these, let's say TikTok. So you can really just customize this form. The whole point is that Retable makes it easy for you to customize your project, customize your forms, customize your sheet. Very beginner friendly. Anybody can use Retable. Okay, so now you can see post, just select, edit. You can edit your copy. So you can do this for any template at all. So it doesn't strictly have to be social media calendar. As you saw earlier, there are hundreds of templates that you can select and adjust to suit your specific business needs. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to try the Retable software for your business and see how it will work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and share this video. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section below and someone will answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this tutorial. See you in the next.